Right, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to generate faceless YouTube videos with AI. Right now, it doesn't necessarily have to be YouTube. You can also generate TikTok videos and reels, basically anything from horizontal videos to actual vertical videos, right? And before we actually jump into the tool itself, I just want to show you guys a YouTube channel that's actually dominating and performing well with Syllaby's AI generated videos, right? And as you can see, so far it basically published around about, I would say, 500 videos. I mean, meant to say five. Okay, it published around about five horizontal videos, which all of them, in my opinion, actually performed well. It's literally up to you. As you can see, some of the subscribers over here, close to 500,000, and with just 41 videos, right? And take into account that most of the majority of it actually comes from YouTube Shorts, right? And here's the cool thing that actually blew my mind is the amount of views this video actually got, like, to the tool itself.
If you were a soldier in World War II, you had to avoid bullets, bombs, and brides. This was especially the case for American soldiers who earned 5 times more than their British comrades. Every soldier earned a base salary plus a bonus for wife and children. So technically, the more husbands a woman had, the more bonuses she could earn. This led to many Brits marrying 3, even 4 clueless Americans. It became common for men to find love, only to realize they were the latest draft pick in the husband fantasy.
Alright, so as you can see, these are just base level views. When I scroll down, you start to see close to 400k, 1 million, close to 300, 2 million. Like, the views continuously increase in such a manner that it actually blows your mind and actually shows you that these videos actually perform. And the crazy thing about it is that the founder of Syllaby is the one that was actually creating and publishing all these videos just to prove a point that you can actually go viral with AI videos, right? And with that into account, let's dive into the tool itself, right? Now, I'll leave a link in the description down below for you to actually give it a try. Now, in this case, what you're gonna do is that create an account, and the moment you do, you will be landing on this page right over here, right? Now, make sure to click on faceless videos, right? And click on create. Now, at this point in time, you're actually given the choice to pick whichever theme it is you want to generate your videos based off of, right? As you can see, they have a lot, and I generally mean a lot, right? But in my case, I'm going to go with the old camera. But just to give you a preview of all the different themes you can actually choose, I'll click on view all. And hopefully at this point in time you can actually see what I'm seeing, because yeah, my laptop has this thing of privacy screens whenever I'm actually showing such things. I don't know why, but yeah, you kind of get the gist of it all. Like, these are all the different themes you can actually pick based on whatever video it is you want to generate, or whatever theme or topic it is you want your YouTube channel to basically fall under, right? Like I said, I'm going with old camera, and you're gonna find out soon later. Now, you can also use the whole video vault thing. I don't necessarily use it because, like, the actual context of this is kind of lame. It's like b-roll in a sense, right? Even though they have a b-roll section over here, but you kind of get the gist of it all. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to AI visuals. Let's select our old boy old camera, and like I said, choose the film that basically goes hand in hand with whatever video it is you want to generate, right? And you're gonna see why I went with old camera soon. Now, here's the cool thing about it is that they actually give you full customization to how you want your videos to actually be generated, right? In this case, I don't like using the subtitles because, as you can see, they're like goofy in a sense. I hope you can, like, understand that. You can also choose your preferred voiceover. In my case, I like using Archie, but as you can see, they have a lot of different voiceovers that you can actually use. And by clicking here,
todos piensan en cambiar el mundo, pero nadie piensa en cambiarse a sí mismo.
you can actually preview or pre-listen to the
Aún
audio
con todas
itself.
sus farsas, penalidades y sueños fallidos, el mundo es todavía hermoso.
Right?
Hi there, I'm Archie. If you're after a young, energetic, and authentic British teen voice, then I'm here to help.
Like I said, I prefer Archie. But yeah, you're gonna get the gist of it all. And video length, like, it's based on whatever format it is you wanna dominate. So if you're aiming to generate like vertical videos, reels, and TikToks, then yeah, 1 minute, and this one is your preferred. But in my case, I might generate two of these, one being horizontal and the one being vertical, just to give you a preview of how everything actually looks like, and as you can see what topic it is you want to focus on. So by pasting here, you're going to paste the script you either wrote yourself or used another AI model to generate you the script and paste it here, right? In this case, you can actually use Syllaby's AI feature to actually generate you the script based on whatever description it is you wanted to actually generate it on. And in my case, I'm gonna go back to my Notion template over here, and I'm going to copy this little description and paste it right there. But as you can see, you can also, what is this called, use your URL link to actually generate a video. You can basically use anything from article, blog post, to even YouTube videos, right? So if, for example, you're someone in, let's say, I don't know, the fitness world, and you basically want to keep people updated about the different trends and informations and stuff like that, basically like News Daily, but for long form content, right? Now, for those who don't know who News Daily is, just for me to actually explain myself, he's a TikTok creator that basically publishes news across different continents, right? So yeah, just search News Daily on TikTok and you're gonna find it. So you kind of get the gist of it all. And in this case, I'm literally just gonna click on generate script, and it's generating us the actual script itself, right? In the aftermath of World War II, the world was eager to resume rhythms of everyday life. Soldiers returned home and women left the factories and nations began blah blah blah. Like, you kind of get the gist of it all. And this is where I would say, yeah, it kind of gets interesting. But yeah, in the gist of it all, you can literally see when I was reading the actual script of it all, it's like someone with literal script writing knowledge and skills, or shall I say expertise, actually wrote the script itself. It doesn't scream AI generated, or in this case ChatGPT generated, which is something that I actually love about this tool. As you can see, it actually shows you the video length and the amount of credits you actually used. But yeah, I'm gonna click generate video. Boom, we are ready and set. Right now, let me just play it a bit so you can actually get a preview of the video itself, right?
In the aftermath of World War II, the world was eager to resume. In the aftermath of World War II, the world was eager to resume the rhythms of everyday life. Soldiers returned home, women left the factories, and nations began the monumental task of rebuilding. Yet, amid the collective sigh of relief and hope, an unexpected and peculiar conflict began to emerge. This was the clandestine love war, a battle not waged on foreign soil, but within the very homes soldiers were returning to. The war had brought with it not just the horrors of combat, but also the separation of loved ones. Couples who had only recently pledged their lifelong commitment were often torn apart by the demands of service.
Because yeah, it kind of goes hand in hand with the actual thing itself. But yeah, you kind of get the gist of it all, and this is the actual video itself, right? Now yeah, with that internet, give you a little preview that I actually love about using Syllaby is that it doesn't only generate you the video itself, but it actually gives you some additional video topics that you can continuously generate based on the theme or topic it is you want your YouTube channel to be based around, right? As you can see, the secret behind post World War II economic boom, how the Cold War shaped everyday life in the 1950s, and the untold stories of women returning home after World War II. Right now, you kind of get the gist of it all, and yeah, these are some of the details you can actually use. As you can see, you can download the actual thing, but if you want to generate some of the image within the actual thing itself, just hover here and click on edit images and subtitles. You are going to see the actual images that in a sense actually being displayed within this video, right? As you can see, each image has around about 4 to 3 seconds frame. But yeah, to edit it, just click on that and type and then just type in a description that you want the image to be changed into, right? Like in this case, maybe let's say you want to add motion within the actual image itself. That's it. If you're interested in trying out the tool for yourself, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description down below. Until then, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.